So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can get Snapchat Plus for absolutely free in just 2 steps. The very first step is you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. Keep in mind that this is the very first and mandatory step. If you don't do this, you may not be able to get free access to Snapchat Plus. After that, go to the search button and type here Snapchat Plus and hit the search button. Now when this Snapchat app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update your Snapchat application. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, it works absolutely the same on both of the devices. So update your Snapchat app. So after updating Snapchat, you have to open it for the second step. And after that, go to your chat section, and after that, tap on your profile icon available at the top left corner of the screen. Next, you have to tap on this settings button available at the top right corner of the screen. Just follow these steps one by one and see the magic being happened at the end. After that, here under your email address, you will get an option Snapchat Plus. If your Snapchat app is not up to date, you may not see this option. That is the reason I was asking you to update your app. So go to Snapchat Plus. After that, go to this subscribe button available at the top. Don't worry, we're not gonna pay. After that, scroll down here and scroll more. Here you can see all of the features that you will get when you'll upgrade to Snapchat Plus. After that, press the next button. You can select monthly or annual from here. I'm asking you not to worry again because we're not gonna pay. So select any of these. For example, I'm going with monthly subscription and press start free trial button. After that, it will ask for your card details. Now here's the trick. You can use the free trial of Snapchat Plus for 7 days. It means your card won't be charged for 7 days. You will not have to pay any money for 7 days for using Snapchat Plus. And what you have to do is just enter your card details and get Snapchat Plus. And after 6 days, just cancel the subscription and buy the free trial again. This is how you can get Snapchat Plus free forever. And if you do not have any working debit card, you can contact me on Instagram. Let me show you my Instagram profile. This is the one. Just message me here and I will provide a solution for it. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.